Oh my gosh, only 2 weeks until the event.
I know, that's so exciting. Saturday, November 1st.
If you haven't bought your tickets yet, do it now. Remember, you can go to BikramYogaSanJose.com, BikramYogaMountainView.com, the event section, and we've set it up so easy, so it's just a PayPal button for $20. You know, Cynthia, I get a lot of questions on what is yoga competition. You know, coming from you as a champion, can you tell us, like, what does that mean to you?
Well, every time we step on our yoga mat, it's a competition. It's a competition against our breath, our thoughts, our mind. And so what we're gonna see on the stage is really a teacher or student who has taken extra time to demonstrate who they are and dealing with any obstacles that come up. So it's a competition against yourself.
Wow.
It's not against you or me. It's how well you can control your emotions, your mental state of mind, using these 7 postures in 3 minutes.
Wow.
It's a story of your spine.
That's amazing. In those 3 minutes, what can we expect to see?
Well, in 3 minutes, a lot happens. It's very common for an athlete to get off the stage and say, wow, my life has changed in 3 minutes. And that's because everything becomes heightened. These 7 postures show a story of the spine, and it's such an amazing thing to witness, to see someone go through all those motions
Wow.
with such meaning.
Wow.
So it's a meaningful demonstration. You know, you've competed about 5 times. I mean,
That's
what
right,
I
did.
What did that experience mean for you?
Wow. You know, Cynthia, at the time, all 5 times I competed as a studio owner, and I have to say it was an amazing, amazing experience, especially to have the community, you know, support what I was doing, what we were doing as a community. So it really inspired the entire school, and I'm looking forward to that again.
Are you gonna compete again?
I don't know. Stay tuned. Members, really exciting news. Famed, established mentor coach, Bikram Yoga master instructor, friend to BYSJ and BYMV, Mary Jarvis, is coming down to host a mini yoga workshop. It's a masterclass, 2 hours, followed by 1 hour of question and answer on Sunday, November 2nd, just on the heels of our yoga competition. Don't miss out. This will be an awesome, high energy, electric, so much to garner 2-hour class at 10 a.m., followed by questions for only $50. So take advantage of this entire weekend and come to the competition, and then certainly be so inspired that you sign up and come in for Mary Jarvis's once-in-a-lifetime, forever memorable instruction. Sign up at the studio or online, www.BikramYogaSanJose.com. Hey, Cynthia, we've got some great vendors coming too.
Yes, we do. From all over the state, from all over the country coming to this event. We've got yoga wear, drinks, snacks, the whole thing.
Wow.
During competition. So it's going to be a real amazing day.
Amazing. So everybody, reminder again, Saturday, November 1st, 11:30 to 3 at Archbishop Mitty High School. Get your tickets now.
We're
out.
Namaste.